So I've done videos at a hog farm, at a goat creamery, at a turkey farm. But now, here's my chance for a flower farm. I'm here with Brenda here at Natural State Flower Farm. Brenda, we're here in Huntsville, Arkansas, up in northwest Arkansas. It's kind of a little drive from the busy stuff going on in northwest Arkansas, but you can still get there, right?
Right.
So, let's see, you do fresh cut flowers and you deliver them to different markets. Mm-hmm. Now, where do you take them to?
Right now I go to the Huntsville Pantry, and I deliver to Harp's food stores in Lowell and Springdale on Sunset and Gutenson, and Fayetteville on Crossover and Mission.
Okay. So you talk about buy local, you can even buy your flowers local. So that's awesome. Well, so you've got this cool building here. Well, how do you guys use that here on the farm?
Well, after I cut the flowers, I bring them in and we condition them with a certain solution, let them cool down a little bit from the field, and then I put them in a cooler, and then from there I just package them and get them ready for the next day delivery.
Okay. Wow, so you get up pretty early in the morning.
5:30 in the morning, daybreak.
Yeah, well right now, just to be cool enough to work outside, you need to do that too.
Yes, that's important.
So you get it all done early and then you go to market, you know, right?
Yes.
And I've seen you do seed sales in the fall too. Is that here on the farm or is that out and about?
No, I usually will have like a seed swap.
Yeah.
And then I just, from my website, you can purchase seeds from there. So it's usually everything I grow here.
Yeah. So on the farm here, you do have some workshops here at the building, right?
Yes, I have. Yeah. We had a flower arranging workshop on Mother's Day.
Oh, cool, perfect.
And it was really a lot of fun. And then I've got a few others planned for later when I get when all the flowers come in. I plant a lot that I don't cut. So around August, I get an influx of monarch butterflies and hummingbirds coming through, and so you can walk through the field, and that
would be an event in itself.
It is. It's pretty spectacular.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, so I'm hoping to coordinate that this year.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Well, so how can people find you online?
Okay, I'm at naturalstateflowerfarm.com. I'm on Instagram. I post there daily, and Facebook I post daily there as well.
Gotcha. And I'll put the links down in the thing.
Okay.
All right. Well, thanks, Brenda.
Thank you.
Yeah. And thank you, Only in Arkansas, for sponsoring this video. Life's what you make it. Let's get our hands dirty. Okay.
It'll have that little pop-up that says sign up for my newsletter. I should have said that.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Okay. There's no... Perfect.
Always.
Well, didn't do it when we were talking. It would have been funny, though, if it had.